ready to turn your classroom into a high-energy learning arena with Blooket. First, head to Blooket.com and log in. Once you're in, click the blue Create button at the top of your screen to start designing your educational masterpiece. Now, you can either choose from Blooket's library of pre-made question sets or import your own from a CSV file. Select whichever aligns best with your lesson plan or curriculum goals. If you prefer a custom touch, click Create a Set and craft your own questions and answers. Remember to add at least 12 questions to make your game more engaging. Time to choose your game mode. Blooket offers a variety of options, from the cooperative factory to the competitive gold quest and many more, so pick the one that best suits your teaching style and learning objectives. Customize your game settings by adjusting the time limit, enabling music, shuffling questions, and tweaking any other options to create the perfect learning environment. Once you're happy with your setup, hit Host Game. This will generate a unique game ID that you can share with your students, allowing them to join the fun on their devices. Share the code with your students, and as they enter it on their devices, they'll be ready to join your Blooket adventure. Watch as they learn, compete, and collaborate in this interactive learning experience.